Good morning, everybody. It's Harry Boxer, the technical trader at techtrader.com. It's Tuesday, the 23rd of May. These are the charts of the day. It wasn't a great day on Wall Street as the markets were under pressure about the debt ceiling discussions, but certainly a lot of stocks that we follow doing well. Let's take a look at swing trade AMAM, which popped and has been flagging in here for a week. Today, it moved again a little bit, $1.06 or about 8%. Didn't smoke it, didn't do it with big volume, but it looks like it's emerging. And if we do, we're looking at 23, maybe 30. Could be a big one. Up next is AMST, which if they're popping and coiling, it's moving out of the coil. Today, picking up a little volume at 1.2 million. It traded up 76 cents or 16.5%. And certainly a move towards the next resistance at around, let's call it 6 3/4 might be due. That's my next target. Carvana had a good day, but it seemed to pop out and then back off the current flag pattern. Keep an eye on this one. Move over 1370, and we're looking at 17. CWBR with a monster explosive type day, moving all the way from 162 to 690 before settling back to 413 up 258 anyway. It was still up 166 after being up nearly 400% one day. 58.5 million traded in total. Let's see what that does tomorrow. It might try to move back up again at 5-6 range. Up next is HTCR, which also had a big day, exploding 150 to 340, finishing 208 up 80 cents or 62%. 95 million traded, and although the base breakout and pullback has occurred, I think the stock has designs on 2 3/4 and 3.5 going forward. CohBar. Moving up in a nice channel last month. Today it popped from 820 to 1055, but settled back to 963 up 176. A 22.4% gain, nearly 1 million traded. At this point, I'm going to look for a possible breakout. If it can get above and make a move towards 12, it's your next target. Beyond that, 15.5, 16. Iovance, breaking out of the base in a beautiful one. Closed at 915 up 116. I was 936. 1.5 million traded. Oh, excuse me, 15.1 million traded. And certainly a breakout day for that one, targeting 10 1/4 and 12. LFCR also a spike up, big day. Trading 53 million shares, moving from 590 to 950, and then backing off to 783, still up 247 or 46%. The way this looks, you may have a run at an extension to 1040 before it's over. MASS coming through a declining top sign that took about 9 months to develop. The V bottom with the right hand extension and moving averages crossover makes this look bullish to me. I want to see if the stock makes a move over 1095.11, then you're looking at 13 and 16. OCUL, Ocular Therapeutics, been an uptrend since December when it was down in the 2.5 range. It's today spiked from 650 to 732, but pulled back to 697. It was still up 7% on about 3 million shares. This is a breakout, however. I'm now looking for a test of the gap and resistance up around 8, just before 8. If you get through that, you're looking at 9, 9 1/4. PLTR. Broke out of a base last week and pulled back and then exploded. Today moving up, let's see, to a high of 1342 before settling back to 1268, up about 7%. Maybe long in the tooth, may need to rest a flag in here, but ultimately, and now have a target of 15 and then 18. Qtrx, which had come out of a base and pulled back and wedged, then broke out again today. Got up 2344, pulled back to 2150, still up 227 or 12%, and the volume picked up too. Now my target's 30-31 zone. In between, you might see around 27. VYNE. I'm sorry, UIS. Let's do that first. It's a swing trade that popped and pulled back and wedged. Look how steadily it's moving up. It's at resistance. If I can get it to 465, 67, and today's high was 62, I'm looking for a move to 6 and 8. And VYNE, which had run up sharply and gotten from 2.5 to about almost 9, is backed up and wedged. Today it popped out, jumped to about 56 cents or 8%. So this is a low volume stock, but I'm looking for 9 and 11 going forward. And finally, YMAB, beautiful setup as a 1, 2, 3 wave 4 wedge. Keep an eye on this one, or coil. My targets are, I forget to 11. I'm looking at 13 and a quarter a half. And that's it tonight for the techtrader.com charts of the day video.